Abira Roy, what is your degree?
Sir, I have studied economics honors. I did my master, completed my master's this year.
Mhm. Good. So, can you tell about yourself briefly?
Uh, good evening, sir. My name is Abira Roy. I was born and brought up in Kolkata, West Bengal. I did my graduation in economics honors from Lady Brabon College, and this year I have completed my master's from University of Hyderabad. And during my post graduation, I did an internship in Navinomics, where I mastered the skill of time management. Um, I am a consistent, hardworking individual who has good communication skills, and my hobbies include cooking and dancing. Talking about my family, there are four members. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker, me and my grandmother. That's it, sir.
Now, why did you go to Hyderabad for MA Economics?
Yes, sir. I sat for CUET. That is an all India examination. I was thinking of joining JNU, but I could not get into JNU for by a small margin of marks. The next best university was Hyderabad, University of Hyderabad. So I joined there.
Excellent. How many students studied along with you there?
I was in general economics, and there were two branches: economics and general economics. Financial economics had approximately 32 students, and general economics had 70 student approximately.
Good.
So
What do
total,
you
yeah, more
understand
than
by
100.
Acha, what do you understand by wholesale price index?
Wholesale price, sir, I don't know.
What is meant by GDP?
GDP means the cost of producing all the goods and services in an economic in a year.
Mhm. See, for this question, wholesale price index, um,
Yes.
I think they have asked what is the wholesale price index now. Maybe that is what it will be. And also, mm, All India wholesale price indices, All India wholesale price index chart, trading
Okay, sir, I'll
economics.
read upon.
You have to prepare on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please prepare on that because for an economics candidate, they will ask such questions. GDP, you could
Okay.
answer me nicely, not a problem. What do you know about the Federal Bank share price now?
The today I saw the price was around 194.2 rupees.
Hmm.
It generally ranges within that range only, from 188 rupees to 195 rupees. It ranges in this area only.
But why are you opting for teaching, not why are you opting for banking, not teaching?
Sir, throughout my academic journey, I think I have gained enough theoretical knowledge, and I now want to apply my knowledge and learn from experienced personnel like you. And banking is something which is a very growing sector of India, and I have interest in that, being an economics student. So I want to pursue banking.
Have you heard of the term CASA ratio? What is it?
Yes. CASA ratio is current account savings account ratio, which is calculated by dividing current account savings account by total deposit of the bank multiplied by 100. Generally, minimum 40% is a desirable ratio for in case of CASA ratio. And our bank, Federal Bank, has 29.27 percentage of CASA ratio.
29 only?
Yes, sir, 29.27.
Are you sure?
Sir, it's
No, Baba.
yeah,
It
I have
must be
checked it here.
40%, Baba. It must be
Sir,
40.
I
No,
checked
no.
it.
I think I may be wrong. But anybody else can tell me what is the total business of our federal bank as far as CASA is
So the
concerned?
okay.
It was 40, I think so. That that's why we used to be proud of that one. Um, Did you see the figure of deposit advances correctly?
Sir, I checked it in that quarter one press release. It was that in there.
Press
I'll
release.
once ask in the group again if
Press
anybody
release
else is.
here. Total business of the bank, then to net profit, operating profit, ROE, GNPA, total deposits, net advances, then net profit, then total business of the bank reached the then total deposits on the asset side, net advances, commercial banking, then highest ever operating profit, net profit, remarkable income parameters, key ratios, robust asset quality, then net worth and capital adequacy, footprint, growing brand silence, total deposits mismatch, net advances, retail, capital. Then in this press release, it has not come, I know. They have not mentioned it.
Okay. Okay,
Mm,
sir. I'll check, but somewhere I saw that amount. I'll reconfirm.
1 minute.
Sir, I have seen
Sir,
the
I
CASA
think I
ratio. Uh,
Yeah.
of March 24, it shows 29.56%.
Oh, correct. March 24 is 29.56. That CASA ratio, that is why they have not discussed about it in the first quarter because it is less than 40, which is the ideal one. And
Sir, I
okay,
found the page where I saw the CASA ratio. I'm sending it to you.
what
In the
is
group, I'm sending.
how much it
It's
is?
29.27.
Acha, acha, now 30 as on 30th June.
It's according quarter one financial year 25, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
20.
Excellent. I think it has come down. That is why they have not mentioned about it in the press release. It was 29.56. I have been under the impression it is 40% all these days. I have not seen it correctly. And it is 29.56 for the last quarter, that is 24. It was 34 in 21. Now everything is put as fixed deposit, it seems. Doesn't matter. No problem.
Sir, I've sent it in the group. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. Now I can see it here also. I can see it in Google search itself. I could get it. No problem. Good. Now, another question for a candidate like you is this one. What is happening in Indian economy and world economy? Have you not seen these questions in the paper given to you? Or one day
Yes,
I
sir.
posted all the questions online also. Did you see them?
Yes, I've seen them. Yes, sir.
आपने प्रिपेयर किया इस
Uh,
क्वेश्चन को?
economy, I have to again. No, sir. I have to again read about it.
You have to prepare about the Indian economy, say the way it is moving up, also tell
Hmm.
about the inflation level, then as consumer price index, wholesale price index, and growth in GDP. All these things you
Hmm.
tell. Also tell about the world economy as a whole. थोड़ा एक बार आप रिवाइज करना है.
Okay, sir.
Tell me something about financial inclusion.
Financial inclusion. Thank you, sir.
How come you have not gone through all these 10 questions which were asked for a candidate in Kottayam? Mostly this must be some commerce or arts candidate. And these are the questions we can expect in our interview also. Please prepare for
Yes,
this.
sir. Okay, sir.
Please tell me, last question, I will conclude with this. Adira Roy, what is your greatest strength?
Sir, my greatest strength is I am a very hardworking and consistent individual. I don't get upset easily. I don't. I'm not a quitter. Even if I face any failure, I consider it as a lesson, and I move forward. I don't look backward and regret. I take learning from any incidents, and I learn from that, and I try to become a better individual. Uh, and also, I consider communication as one of my greatest strengths. So yeah,
Thank you. Good. You told
thank you,
this
sir.
nicely. Very happy. Adira, only thing is, I wish they should not ask such humbug questions or questions which are more theoretical. But if they
Yes, sir.
ask what we can do, so be ready for this. And
Okay,
I
sir.
gave you those 100 questions. Out of those 100 questions, at least 50 questions you prepare. You know that 100
Okay.
economics questions?
Yes, sir. You have sent it. Yes, sir.
Yeah. थोड़ा prepare कर दीजिए so that you will not face this. You cannot say
Okay.
I don't know. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. At least you should say Indian economy is progressing very well. India has improved from fifth place to fourth place or sixth place to fifth place. Something like that. You must speak. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Best
Sir, I have a
wishes.
question.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sir, actually, I went to a branch today. There, I spoke to the officer and about the savings account, about what is the minimum balance we should keep, and what is the interest rate that is there in savings account. As per my knowledge, it was 3%, but they told me that it's 4%. So, can you tell me,
It is
is there
only
an
it's
increase
only
in?
3%. It's only 3%. Maybe that
Okay, sir.
officer is not clearly knowing it clearly. It will happen because none of us are going to calculate interest. Everything is done by computer. So
Okay.
actually, many of the officers they may not remember what is the interest rate also. You understand? I am
Okay,
not
sir.
surprised in your telling like this. They know it very well. They do not know. Majority of them will not know. You go and ask them what is their salary. Many of them will not remember what it is. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
So don't worry
Okay,
about
sir.
that. It
Thank
is only 3%.
Okay, sir.
That's what we see in the website. So we will go by that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't worry. You did well, but you must do still better than what you have done.
Okay, sir. I'll try my best. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. But you have told me you will not get upset and all. That is why I asked tough questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
No problem.
Very.
Thank you.
This extent of smile will do. You will get it. Don't worry. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. After Abira, now we have 7449. That boy who came. Is he there now?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Sayan Acharya. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sayan Acharya, what is your postgraduate degree subject?
MSc Mathematics.
Yeah, please tell me about yourself.
Firstly, thank you, sir, for having me in this interview. My name is Shayan Acharya. I come from South 24 Parganas, West Bengal. I have completed my class 12 from KE Carmel School, Amtala, with a percentage of 88.25. I have then completed my bachelor's in mathematics under Calcutta University with a CGPA of 8.36. Then I opted for my master's and I have completed my master's in mathematics this year, June 2024, from Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Centenary College. I am a first learner. I have good communication skills and leadership skills. More importantly, I am hardworking and I love to complete my tasks on time. My family consists of my mother, my father, myself. Uh, can I say my pet dog?
No, you are no pet dog. Hello?
Yes, sir.
No. No. In fact, today morning I told one boy about not telling about pet dog and all. See, tell about your family only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No,
My hobbies
if they ask about your hobbies, you can say then playing with my pet dog or taking care of my pet dog. That may come at that stage. Hobbies. Understand?
yes, sir. My
Yeah.
hobbies include teaching,
Yeah.
gardening, fish keeping, playing cricket, and also playing with my dog. Thank you, sir.
Very good. That's good. What is your father?
Actually, my father used to work as a works manager for a private farm.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, when I was
He's,
in class three, shall I speak, sir?
you could have told it earlier also. Immediate. Father is no more.
No, my father is there. My father actually,
Acha, acha.
when I was
Then
class,
the way you started taking so much time in coming out with the correct answer shows you are not clear about what you want to speak. You must tell briefly, quickly. You could have told me what is he now. I don't want what was he. What is he now? He is not doing anything. Means you should tell me.
yes, sir, he is unable to walk. He is in a wheelchair now, so basically he's not working.
I mean, he is not working now because of his health, whatever it is. You should tell
Yes, sir.
that briefly. Understand?
Yes, sir.
आपने so much time ले लिया उधर. You took such a long time to come and give the
I'm sorry.
proper answer. Yeah, Sayan. Otherwise, the previous expressions were very good. You were able to talk nicely. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, which bank are you having an account?
I am having an account in Indian Bank, sir.
Acha, good. Which branch of Indian Bank?
Vidyanagar branch.
Huh?
Vidyanagar branch.
Acha, acha. In which place?
It is located in South 24 Parganas, West Bengal.
Acha, acha, acha. I don't. That's why I don't know. I know a few branches in Kolkata. Like I was in Brabant Road and I was staying near Ballygunge branch and all that. That's right. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. What is the name of the mobile app of Indian Bank?
IndiSmart.
Correct. Then what is the
Previously,
name of the
it
mobile
was
app of our federal bank?
Fed Mobile.
Correct. Good. Now, please tell me about certain digital products of our federal bank.
Firstly, to talk about Fed 24/7, in which one can open an account and also can manage his or her account. Secondly, to talk about the AI chatbot, which is Fedi, which guides people who visit the site and guides them how to operate the site and clarifies their queries.
Hmm.
Also, there is another feature that is SmilePay, which helps people transact with the facial recognition.
Hmm. How can you contribute to federal bank?
I have gone through the job role and I think I can contribute to the federal bank because of certain reasons. Firstly, I have good communication skills. I am polite and a calm person, which would help in customer acquisition and customer satisfaction. Secondly, I always embrace change with a positive attitude and hence I would be flexible as there might be a transfer in this job to different parts of India. I am a fast learner and require minimal supervision in order to complete my work. Also, I am hardworking and take ownership of difficult problems to achieve a successful outcome.
Name the
Thank you very much, sir.
organization that is controlling stock exchanges.
SEBI, sir.
Name the organization that is controlling insurance companies.
IRDAI.
What is the latest BSC Sensex?
Sir, I can't remember the Sensex right now. I can tell you the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty.
No, BSC Sensex is somewhere around 81,700 or so.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. I couldn't say the actual figure, but I know it ranges
Exact
between
figure is
80
not
to.
required. Exact figure is not required. You can say roughly 82,000 or nearing 82,000, something like that you can speak. What about Nifty?
Currently, the Nifty 50 is around 25,000. 24,781 to be exact.
Which is the recent AI technology of Federal Bank,
The
which is,
recent AI technology,
yeah,
yes, sir.
which is
The recent,
peculiar of its own, not common.
I am
Recent,
aware with the, yes, sir.
recently
I am
launched AI technology of Federal Bank, which is one of its kind.
Is it
Smile
steady, sir?
Pay,
The AI chatbot.
Smile Pay,
My,
Smile Pay. Okay.
yes, sir. I know
Um,
about mine.
yeah. Name five chief ministers of India.
The five chief ministers of India. Firstly, I will start with my state, West Bengal. It is Srimati Mamata Banerjee. Then I would say the neighboring states, that is Orissa, Mr. Mohan Charan Machi, Bihar, that is Mr. Nitish Kumar, then Sikkim, that is Mr. Prem Singh Tamang, and to talk about Jharkhand, it is Mr. Hemant Soren. Thank you, sir.
Super. What are the achievements you are remembering in your college days? What are the
Firstly,
hobbies you can think of?
sir, my hobbies is to play cricket and football. I also play chess sometimes.
Mhm. What is Negotiable Instruments Act?
Negotiable Instruments Act deals with all kind of negotiable instruments, just like promissory notes, bankers acceptance, bills of exchange and checks,
Yeah,
which guides the negotiable instruments. The
good.
act is Negotiable Instrument 1949. I am
Huh?
correct?
1881.
1881, sorry. I just
Doesn't
confused
matter.
with
No
the.
problem. What is a check?
A check is a negotiable instrument that promises to bear a sum of money to a certain person or an entity.
Mhm. How many seats are there in West Bengal Assembly?
I'm sorry, sir.
How many seats are there in Lok Sabha?
545. No, no, it's
542. 542.
542. I'm sorry.
Doesn't matter. No problem. Are you willing to work in remote areas?
Yes, sir, definitely. I don't have any problem.
Just last question. Please tell me what is a fintech company?
A fintech company is
Hmm.
a fintech company are certain organizations that provide finances and loans to people. These are a type of NBFCs.
Mhm. I don't think it need be. There is no need for it to be a NBFC. It can be a non-NBFC also. For example, Paytm and all.
Yes, sir.
It's a international company also. I don't know what. Could have please verify about that. Okay. Best
Yes, sir.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I had one question that when if the stock price of Federal